Are you ready to share your creativity with the world? Uploading YouTube Shorts from your PC is easier than you think. In this quick guide, we will walk you through the simple steps to get your videos online and start connecting with viewers. Whether you have a funny sketch, a captivating tutorial, or a memorable moment to share, we'll show you how to make it happen. Don't let your ideas stay hidden, and let's get your content out there and start building your audience today. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to upload YouTube Shorts from your PC. The first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into youtube.com. This is the home page, as you can see. So you have just run out to create an account by signing up using your email address, and you get started to find this page, as you can see. So right now all you have to do is click over here to upload your video, and also you can go live or create a post. I will show you how you can do that. So firstly, you have just to create a vertical video that's under 60 seconds. Sign in to YouTube and click the camera icon with a plus sign to upload your video. Select your file and ensure to add a catchy title, description, and relevant tags, including hashtag shorts, and adjust the visibility settings to your preference. Then click publish to share your content with the world. It's that easy to showcase your creativity and connect with new viewers, as you can see. So I will just click over here and I will click over upload video. Then you will find other page, which is this one, as you can see. So we have just right now to select the files. Here we have drag and drop video files to upload. Your videos will be private until you publish them. Then we have here by submitting your videos to YouTube, acknowledge that you agree to YouTube's terms of service and community guidelines. Please be sure not to violate others' copyright or privacy rights. So you have just to click over select files, and then you select the one you want and you click over open, as you can see. So here we have it, and here we have how it looks. So here we have the steps that you have to follow. The first one, which is details, you have just to add title, description, and other information if you want to just make it public or private, and also other things. Then also we have your video elements, and then the third step, which is checks, and the last one, which is visibility. If you want to make it public or private or unlisted, as you can see, then you get started and you start publishing your short videos. Right now I will show you other things. You have just right now to click over here to help if you want to help, and here you have just to click over upload YouTube videos, create YouTube shorts. How you can do that, I will just click over this one, and we have here various information. You have YouTube shorts is a way for anyone to turn an idea into a chance to connect with new audiences anywhere in the world. All you need is a smartphone and two shorts camera built right in the YouTube application to create shorts up to 60 seconds long. The latest shorts creation tools make it fast, fun, and easy to be creative on YouTube. Also, we have here various information for here, depending on Android or iPhone and iPad. Then we have here how you can create shorts, and we have here video showing that. We have here creating a short with YouTube Short. For video creation tools allows you to record one or more clips that add up to 60 seconds while recording with the short camera. And we have here the steps that you have to do. Sign into the YouTube application, tag create plus and select short, and then we have here to record a clip, hold capture. You can also tap it to start and stop recording. Then we have here, you click over in the Android channels if you want, start over. You have save as draft and exit camera. Then we have also here set shorts duration, add sounds. You have camera options on the right menu, and then we have here tap down, add sound, modify video from the right menu, go back to the record screen, timeline. Then also we have here tap next, then to add titles to your video for publishing, such as title, visibility, note, private, public. If on a private, here we have if you are 80 years old, your default video privacy settings is 2. Then we have public. Here everyone can change this settings to make their video public, private, or unlisted. We have location here, audience, then we have other options, then we have tap upload short, and you have save your short as a draft, as you can see. Then you have to find the drafts in your YouTube application. You have just to tap create plus, then we have here click over short, create your short, tap next, then we have in the lower right corner tap drafts. Then we have from here you can sort a draft to edit or delete it from your device. Then you have here the video showing there. Then we have also here tap create plus short, record your short and enter video title, navigate to the final upload screen to tap to edit. You have select a frame to use as your thumbnail, then we have tap down and enhance your shorts while recording if you want. If you want to add music or other audio, here we have how we can do that. If you want to just adjust recording speed, record with a timer, apply filters, apply effects, you have add a background and how you can align frames, and you have your all video that's showing there. Then we have import segments as you can see, and you have if you want to add sound, add text, add stickers, record voiceover, adjust timeline. If you want also add filters, add comments, text to speech as you can see. So here we have the option if one of us is helpful and yes or no. You will just click over yes. Then here we have how you can create or upload your short video. All right. Also, we have here various options in here in the channel content. We have here also other options such as videos. If you want to create videos, if you want to also create or set up a live, here we have how we can do that. You have just to click over here and just go down and you click over get started as you can see. Also, here we have the option of playlist if you want to create a playlist, posts as well, and you have just to click over and you create a post. Then we have podcast as you can see. I will just click over new podcast and I will here create new podcast. Then I will just add a title like to upload video, upload short video. Then we have add a description. Then we have here thumbnail. I will just select upload file and I will just get set in the upload file. Then we have visibility and sort order if is it public, private, and or enlisted. Then we have also here default video order, and we have date published, most popular, date added at the end, all lists are the new. Then we have manual sorted in YouTube. About the thumbnail, we have the upload file if you want, and then here we have it. Also, you can add videos if you want, and you get started by creating a new podcast. Then we have your promotions as you can see. You will promote your channel and business on your YouTube if you want. Alright. Then we have here in the left other options such as the dashboard, content, analytics, comments, subtitles, copyright, earn how you can earn. Then we have customization, audio library, and the settings. Then we have send feedback as well. So YouTube Short is a powerful tool for creators looking to share their content and connect with a broader audience. By focusing on engaging, concise videos and stay consistent with your upload, you can tap into current trends to enhance your visibility. Remember to engage with your viewers and utilize analytics to refine your strategy. With the right approach, YouTube Shorts can significantly boost your reach and help you build a loyal community around your creativity. So get started today and let your unique voice shine. So this is for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and if you have any questions feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.